Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best reciprocating saw that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best reciprocating saw. Saw makers typically make saws that aim to cut precisely, but a reciprocating saw, aka Sawzall, is an exemption as it cuts construction materials roughly. It is also used for demolition purposes. Demolition is more fun, as well as easier. Whether it is walls, windows, you only need to cut and tuss. Its motor transmits enough power to the blade for cutting different materials. Number 5. Hammerhead 20 volts cordless reciprocating saw. This cordless electric saw is powerful enough to cut through several materials such as wood, tree branches, fiberglass, metal, plaster, masonry. Main features: material from fiberglass and PVC. Adjustable pivoting foot. Powerful performance. Number 4. Skillsaw SPT44A00 reciprocating saw with buzzkill tech. This saw features patented buzzkill technology, stopping vibration dead in its tracks and suppressing vibration up to 35%. Main features: variable speed trigger controls, tool tough 13 amp motor provides power. 1/1/8" stroke length. Number 3. Milwaukee 6519 to 31 strokes per minute reciprocating saw. This particular reciprocating saw is a feature-laden behemoth that can tackle whatever you throw in its way. It's specially designed for more rugged environments. Main features: gear protecting clutch, quick lock technology, high-powered motor. Number 2. Crossed reciprocating saber saw with 12 inches concrete. A reciprocating saw is basically an electric saw that is used for cutting wood, metals and piping. There are various jobs that require different tools. Main features: tools center reciprocating saw, 115 mm for steel, 50 Hz input power. Number 1. DeWalt 1100 watt variable speed reciprocating saw. Ideal for plumbers, electricians, heating, HVAC, and builders. That delivers excellent cutting performance. Main features: 4-position blade clamp, allows 29 mm stroke length. 2-year warranty. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.